Okay, so today I'm going to go through how to get the QR code system working with Trackside. Big thanks to Zubon for the TVPAS Tiny View Plus sensors. That makes everything possible. So I suggest popping over to the Trackside Discord, drop into the QR timing, and give him your thanks. Okay, so first what we will need to do is we will need to download the Tiny View Plus sensor zip file. You just click that and it should download. I have already downloaded one myself, which I shall extract in a minute. And what you also need to do is install this Node.js. So I have actually downloaded that already, but I haven't installed it. So you have this Node.js setup wizard. You go next. I accept. Next. Next, 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 install. So there's really nothing to configure there. Okay, and finish. So what I like to do, I shall just put this folder over here. What I like to do is just keep everything in the zip file into its own folder. So I usually put a new folder, TVPAS server. You don't have to do this, it just keeps it a bit more clean. So let's open up this zip file, go into TVPAS server. You want to grab all of that and drag it across. As you can see, some of the files look like it hasn't imported in. So if you click back here and then forwards again, you can see it refreshes the window. So the first place you want to go is the TVPAS relay server. Your folder should look a little bit like this. And at the very top here, click into the box and type in CMD. This will bring up this, and it will bring up a command prompt that's in that directory, and you just want to put npm install. Okay, so that's installed all of the dependencies that are needed to run the server, so we're good to go there. Okay, next you can double click this relay.bat, and you will see now the TVPAS side of things. The server is now just waiting. So, okay, so once you've done that, go back. Then you want to go into Tiny View Plus as sensors. Before you open this up, you want to go into Data, Camera, Example, and because I'm using a SkyDroid, I'm going to double click into there, FPV.xml. You can open with Notepad. So it should look a little bit like this. So what you want to do is copy all of that in there, close this window, and back to in Data, Camera, there's another FPV.xml. So open this one up with Notepad, paste it in there, and save it, but don't close down that window yet, because what you will need to do is you need to put the name of your device that is capturing the FPV feed. So to do that, go down into the search bar here, and you want to go into the device manager. So I can open this up, and I know that it's usually a camera. Even with capture cards, it usually comes under camera, so I can click that, and I can see USB 2.0 PC camera. What I need to do is copy that exactly into this name. So USB 2.0 PC camera. Now I'm aware, I'm not sure if it's case sensitive, but I like to copy it exactly just so I can rule out any issues. So once you've done there, you can save that. Close this window, and then you can go back to. Let me just close down that device manager. Bearing in mind your server's still running here. You want to go back to the TVPAS server folder, Tiny View Plus as sensors, and just double click this exe here. So it should now Yep, so it's picked up my capture device, the SkyDroid. So you can just hit space, and then this is the part that will detect the QR. This is the bit that will connect this TinyView Plus and Trackside together. Now I know it says waiting for the first heartbeat from TinyView Plus as sensors. It has actually sent a heartbeat. I had an issue with this yesterday, and I was searching forever, because I remember that the old version used to say you have your first heartbeat. This one doesn't. I'm not sure what's changed, but yeah, it's just bear that in mind. Right, so now we've got this up. Final part to do is open up Trackside. Trackside, FPVTrackside. There we go. So we're going to open this up. Let's full screen this. Cancel. I'm going to do a new event, even though I've got a new event there. Open it up. Now for now, what I'm going to do is set up the channel settings. I'm going to remove all of these. Remove. I'm going to add, where is it? E1, because I believe that is the first one in the channel settings. You can find out which channels it's been set to. If you go down to here, TinyView Plus sensors, go back to, oh no, go into data, I think, and on frequencies, edit with open it with Notepad. So I can see the first one is 5705, but I'm not sure if you're able to change that at the moment. But these are the 4 frequencies. There's something that I have to play about with. So anyway, now that we've got E1 up and running, click OK there. When it decides to go, there we go. So let's add a pilot. I'll add myself in. Add, so we've got that all sorted. So what you're going to do is go down to here, go to timing settings. I've still got my old rotor hazard there, so I'm going to remove it. And then I shall just remind myself of how to find it. You want to go to add. Is it? That's video input settings. Where's the timing settings? Timing settings, there we go. Oh, okay. So I might be able to just scan the network, because it just comes up as a standard rotor hazard. It might pop up. If not, then we can add it manually. No, it doesn't look it. So you want to click add. Rotor hazard 4.0 plus. System settings, role, primary timer, host name. You want to put this as localhost. Port 5000. Voltage warning and temperature warning. That's all fine. So click OK there. And as you can see now, we do actually have a connection. Let's see if there's anything in the server. There we go. So let know you're connected to here. Yeah, so let me just find a whoop. I'll tell you what, I'll pause this and I'll come back with a whoop, just to make sure that it is picking up the times. Before you do that, actually, let's go to rounds, race round run. Let's go add race, autofill round, and now we're ready to test the timing. Okay, see you on the other side. Okay, so I have a whoop with me now. For testing purposes, I won't be flying it around. What I'm going to do is, in one of the links, it shows you all of the types of QR codes that you can use. This is in version 2.0. You can actually use 4 different markers for 4 different gates, so you can do split timing. But at the moment, I'm just focusing on getting the basics explained, because I haven't dived too deep into this this new update. So anyway, what I'm going to do is plug this in Yeah, I can see. I want to put this over here. I might just... where did it go? That one. I just want to make sure it's detecting... Oh, yes. There we go. So, what I will do is... Put my finger over here. Go into here. Go into live. Oh, rounds. Next round.
Next up, round 1, race 1.
Yes, we get it.
Arm your quads. Starting on the tone in less than 5.
Right. Now, you're not going to be able to see it, but you should be able to hear when it triggers. So...
Whole shot KISS 5.37.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
KISS lap 1 in first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
KISS lap 2 in first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
KISS lap 3 in first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go on.
KISS finished in first.
And there we go. So let me unplug that. And as you can see, it's taken up all my times and it's picked it up, no problem. The only other thing, I wasn't able... You'll probably want to know how to get this video into Trackside. The thing is that because I'm actually using OBS at the moment to record...
60 seconds remaining.
Yeah, okay.
Race over.
Right. So because I'm using I'm using OBS at the moment to record all of this, I can't actually use it. But in this viewer here, you can press F and it goes to full screen. Okay. Oh, I did not pick it up on there. I did pick it up there. I'll leave it like that for the moment. But what you can then do is go into FPVTrackside. You can go into video settings, video input settings. You can add OBS virtual camera. I haven't set this up before, so I'm not sure entire. Oh, there we go. Start virtual camera in OBS itself. So hopefully, if it wants to play ball, I'll tell you, let's cancel that. I've started the virtual camera in OBS, so let's go into video input settings. Add OBS virtual camera. There we go. So what you typically do is have it full screen, and then you'd, on that primary application, this one here, the Tiny View Plus as RSSI sensors, and you can make it full screen by pressing F, and then you can import it into here, and then you just set your channels as per usual. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm happy to answer any questions. Obviously, like I said, I haven't played around with this nearly not as much as I would hope to have done, so I may not know everything. But as I said, I'll link in the all the links will be in the video in the description. And I highly suggest any other questions, please go over to FPVTrackside, go to QR timing, see if you can message in there, either to Zubon, who created this, or to anyone else. They might have the answer there. That's probably going to be your best bet. So yeah, have fun, guys.